Is your iPhone's essential phone app mysteriously vanished from your home screen? Don't panic. Bringing back your calling functionality is often simpler than you think, and we'll walk through the most common fixes right now. First things first, let's check for accidental restrictions. Open your iPhone settings app. Scroll down and tap on screen time if you have it enabled. This is where apps can sometimes get hidden. Tap on content and privacy restrictions. Look for allowed apps here. You'll see a list of all your built-in apps. Make sure the toggle next to phone is switched on. If it was off, simply tap it to turn it back on, and your phone app should reappear on your home screen. If the restriction wasn't the issue, the app might just be hidden in a folder or the app library. The quickest way to find out is to use Spotlight Search. Swipe down from the middle of your home screen to bring up the search bar. Then simply type phone. If the app appears in the results, you can tap and hold its icon and then select Add to Home Screen. Still no luck? Let's try resetting your home screen layout. Go back to Settings. Tap on General. Scroll down to the very bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, tap Reset from the options that appear. Select Reset Home Screen Layout. This will rearrange your apps back to their factory default positions, which should bring the phone app back if it was misplaced. If none of these steps work, your iPhone might have a more advanced issue, and restoring your iPhone from a recent backup is the next logical step. Connect your iPhone to your computer, open Finder or iTunes, select your device, and choose to restore from a backup. This will revert your iPhone to a previous state, hopefully with your phone app intact. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to restore your missing phone app and get back to making calls.